How to manage appointment status options in Brisk Appointment. Brisk Appointment allows you to customize the status labels used with appointments, keeping your schedule organized and easy to understand. To manage status labels, go to Settings and open the Appointment Status tab. To add a new status, click the Add New Status button. Enter the name for the status and select the Set as Default checkbox if you want it to be the default for all new appointments. Click the Add Status button to save it. The default status is shown at the bottom of the page. Existing statuses can be updated by clicking the pencil icon or removed by clicking the trash icon. Once your status labels are set up, they can be selected when updating an appointment, ensuring that your calendar accurately reflects the state of each booking. You can easily change the status of an appointment by right-clicking the appointment and selecting the status under Update Status. Properly managing status labels helps your team quickly identify appointment types and maintain an organized scheduling system. For more Brisk Appointment tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.